Welcome back, everybody. Got a great request for today. Hey man, I love your videos. Thank you very much. I'm curious, you wouldn't happen to have a 24-inch 7mm Cuban and a 24-inch 5mm rope that I could see paired together, would you? I actually do. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. I'm just not too big of a fan when chains have a gap between them for myself, but at the same time, I don't want them fighting too much. Well, I can tell you off the bat, these will probably fight a bit. I know personally I don't like gaps between my chains all that much. It depends on the look you're going for. Sometimes I do. A lot of the time though, if you're familiar with my style, I like to hang chains all at the same length. Now, certain chains I think will go better together than others. Personally, with a Miami with a rope at the same length, I mean, I feel like if you can get it to hang right on top, like have that rope hang right on top of that Miami without it fighting all that much, I think it would look great. We'll find out today, but I have a feeling it's going to end up being fighting. There's going to be a little bit of a spat going on, but we'll find out. Let's throw these around the neck, take this 12 feet back to give you guys the best viewing look you can on camera. Let's get into it. Check out the difference in size, or the lack of difference in apparent size of the 7mm versus the 5mm. The 5mm is such a beast. It really is. It is just, when you pick it up, it's just ridiculous. It's ridiculously large for a 5mm chain. Look at how big this looks compared to the 7. It looks like you're getting an illusion as if it's almost the same millimeters, at least in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but that's what you're getting. So there is a difference for sure, and you'll see a difference on the shirt. You'll see a difference from far away, but man, does this rope hold its ground. It's just unbelievable. All right, let me throw these around the neck and see how much these things fight. Okay, so here we have it. Here's the stack. I threw them around the neck. I didn't neaten them up or anything because I want to show you what it's gonna be. Not cool, not cool. So at the same length, this is not a good look in my opinion. The way you could make it a better look is if I think you threw a pendant on one of these chains. But personally, I don't know. I just don't feel like it's a good look. You got two completely different size styles of chain just hanging around. I mean, if you went out of your way to like neaten it up constantly, these things are going to be fighting. So let me take this 12 feet back so I can give you what I think would be a better opinion on what maybe lengths or sizes you could stack. Okay, here we go. That's from 12 feet away. Same length, Miami Cuban, 7mm, and rope 5mm from 12 feet away. Again, I don't think it's worth wearing. If you guys love it, you love it. And that's all that matters at the end of the day. But I think it's going to be fighting a lot. You said you didn't want it to be fighting a lot, and you don't like gaps. So what you can do is you can wear an extender. If you were to wear an extender, you can fix it to the exact millimeter that you want, and you can have it literally hanging like this. And if you had it hanging like this, then I think you'd be really in good shape. If you can keep it like that with barely a gap, you'd have a cool design going on if you wanted to wear an extender. If you don't want to wear an extender, the next best thing I would say is go with a 20-inch on this, unless you can find a 21-inch. If you can find a 21-inch chain, you can do that. You can get one made if you want. You know, if you want this to be a real, like, you know, legit setup, you can go ahead and alter it. Let's see what a 21-inch would look like. Hey guys, my bad. I walked over there, I threw this chain around my neck, and I realized I was talking about a 21-inch. Listen, Let's get back to what it really is. Sorry, all these numbers are confusing me. If you have a 24-inch chain here and you want to make it a legit setup, and you know this is the setup you want because you love these two styles, and you know that if you want barely a gap, as you can see here, you can alter your chain, your 5mm rope chain, and you can get that set at a 23 inch, a 23 inch, not a 21 inch like I said before, 23 inch, forgive me. You can do that, or you can use an extender to alter it to have it at a 23, and nobody's gonna really notice the extender. I really doubt it, because you're gonna have all that gold behind your neck from the 7mm Miami Cuban there, okay? So I wouldn't really worry too much about that personally, but if you care, you can get this custom made, or you can try to find one. This is 23 inches, this is 24 inches. That is perfect if you don't want a pendant, okay? If you wanted a pendant, you know, and you have them both at 24 inches, a pendant will drop one of the chains a little bit lower. It might look a little bit better, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be fighting. If you don't want them to fight and you want them to look neat, I would say alter your chain or put an extender on it to fix it perfectly. Now, if it was hanging like this, do I think it looks great? Yes, I absolutely do. You have almost no gap, no fighting, and it just looks cool in my opinion. The two styles hanging out together look fantastic. Check out that rope, how much bigger it looks than the Miami. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Honestly, if you wanted to save some money and you don't currently own this, you could even go a little bit smaller on the rope, in my opinion. Or maybe, you know, if you want to go on the other end, you get a little bit of a larger Miami. But does this look bad? No, definitely not. I think it looks fantastic. So I hope this video was able to help you to make a decision. I'm getting tired. I think I've recorded 4 videos now. I need a little bit of a break, but I have to go bodybuild, and then I have work to do. So anyway, be safe, guys. Talk soon. Catch you all at the next video. Look forward to getting to your request. In case you think I forgot your request, hit me up again with that request. Forgive me, guys, for losing all those requests. You gotta love technology. Sometimes these things happen. All right, be well. Talk soon. Catch you guys next video.